Good day, guys. Welcome to my channel, Ola Ozu. So today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to buy coins and receive coins from Bybit. How to just buy bitcoins and receive bitcoins from Bybit. So I know most of you are saying, "Oh, this is really hard. I don't understand Bybit. I don't understand Bybit." So this is what you do: you click on your Bybit app. So I'll be doing this for security reasons. So please, the amount there is small. It's just a new account. I don't really have money like that. So this is like, look at the Bybit app. So if you want to like deposit money into it, this is what you do. You click on this deposit at this this right hand corner. Click on it, deposit. You click on, if you are from, because my country is Nigeria, I can buy with Nigerian naira, P2P, bank transfers. I can deposit crypto. So if you want to deposit crypto, let's do it like this. I want to deposit crypto. So I click on the BTC. Choose, you have to choose a chain type. You have to choose a chain type. Let me say I'm buying with USDT. USDT. So we click on it, select chain. This is how to deposit Bitcoin or any other coins into your this thing. Choose a chain type. Let's use let's just CRC20. If you want to like deposit a USDT into your address, if you want to deposit a Bitcoin, you have to first deposit a USDT or any other coin. So my USDT, I'm using my TRC20 wallet. This is it here. As you can see, this is it. So if I want to send, I'll just copy the address. When I copy the address, I'll go to the wallet I want to send from and send it into this my wallet and to appear in this my Bybit account. So let's go to the part on how to buy directly from the app. So you still click on this deposit. Let's first go with buy with via Mastercard or all these things. Just cancel it. Let it load. Let's say the minimum here, the minimum you can deposit is 4.5. That's the minimum you can deposit is 4.5. And the maximum, you can see the maximum here, whether it's 230 million naira. So let's say we are depositing 4.5. Next, bank transfer or cheaper cash. Let's go with the bank transfer. Confirm. This is good. So yeah, they are going to give you, if you click on pay now, they'll give you the account number, the other things. So and they'll give you a particular time for you to send the money into. I can't do that now for some security reasons. So they are going to cancel the order. So I'm going to be showing you guys the next. Let me show you guys the next step, which is deposit with P2P. So in this P2P, it's just like you have vendors that sells, you see at their price, trusted vendors. For you not getting scammed, just go for verified vendors. Yes, go for verified vendors. Let's check where I was any verified vendors around. but it's anyhow sha. You can see these two verified vendors, they're selling for 1616. So it's better you buy from verified vendors. If you want to buy, you just click on buy, and you guys just talk, text each other, going to see his account number, give you time. When you send the money to his account number, you now send the receipt to him. So thank you guys for sticking to this part of the video. I hope you learned a lot. So please kindly like and subscribe to my channel. If the video is interesting, like the video and give it a nice comment to keep me on going. Thank you.